Hi there, welcome back to the cabin. It is Monday the 25th of August, I believe. I came up for the week, worked some more on the shed. The weather looks like it's going to be nice this week. It's a lot cooler. It's in the low 70s, so that'll be nice. So let's take a look around here. So the tarp stayed on the siding. Just like I had hoped. Wasn't too sure because it gets windy up here from time to time. So I'm going to see if we can get that siding up this week. And here's the shed, the frame of the shed. I need to put top plate on the back piece and also plate on the front wall. So I'll do that first, and then we'll see if we can get two pieces of sheathing up on the back wall and get those nailed in. So let me show you how I cut this rafter here. So first of all, I put this square on my top plate, brought it over to the edge, and drew a line down here. So that piece is going to be vertical. Then I laid the square down and marked a line here. Then I took the square this way and mark this line here. So those are the pieces I'll cut out, and then on the far end I put my square here, drew a line across, so that piece will get cut off too. So it's pretty easy. When I make these cuts, I got to hold this board down somehow. So the easiest way I found out was just using a clamp. It's an absolutely beautiful day up here today. Temperatures in the high 60s, low 70s. There's a nice breeze. Great for working outside. Now, not too bad for my first rafter cut. That'll do just fine. Well, I got my first rafter up there, cut. Now I'll use that as a template and cut 5 more, I think. I put down this 2x4 at the level I wanted the sheathing, and I'd lay it on there to put it into place, and kept slipping off, so I got the bright idea, let me just screw this block into the 2x4 to hold it in place. So that's been working well. So I put this piece of LP siding up temporarily, and I marked where the cutouts are going to be for the door on both sides and on the top. And because this side is about 4 inches and the top is maybe 8 inches, I was worried about them breaking off. So I decided the best thing might be to cut out this top first, and then I'm going to use the jigsaw to cut out what I missed with the circular saw. So when I do that, this side will be free, so it won't bind or snap off. That's what I was worried about, board snapping off. So underneath this I have 2x6s. This one is on the inside of the cut, and that one over there is on the outside of the cut, because the cut line is going to be right there. So I'll use that to support the sheathing. Since I don't have a flat surface to work on, this is going to have to do. I'm up in the west loft, and this piece of plywood, the SIP system, I've been using temporarily in the loft to walk around on. So first job today is to move this from up here down to the main floor. So it shouldn't be too difficult. It's just heavy. This will be the major piece of plywood for the shed's roof. Okay, that worked. Well, I have all the sheathing on. It's time to put up the plywood on the roof. Well, that was a bear, single-handed, but I got it up there. So now I'll measure at the very top. There's like a 1-foot section that I have to cut an additional piece. I'm racing the rain today. It's supposed to start raining midday, so I want to see how much of this I can get done while it's still dry. Well, I got that plywood up there, it's secure. Beat the rain. I had to cut 2 4-foot by 1-foot sections for the gap on top. So that's all nailed down. What I'm going to do is put temporarily a tarp on top. Here's a look at the inside of the shed. And the door opening over here. Well, I got all 20 shots on the paper. Still am shooting a little bit to the left and high. Have to work on that. I have a lot of sand on the ground in the front of the cabin. The excavator left it here. It was extra. So we put it against the foundation for drainage, which is great, but unfortunately I'm always tracking sand in the cabin, so I think I'll use the vacuum. So I have the Opus power station here, and I got my old shop vac, so I'm going to see what I can get up off the floor here, get things a little bit less gritty and sandy, clean things up a bit. Well, that is going to wrap it up for this trip. I got accomplished what I wanted. I got the shed sheathed and the roof on. Cleaned up a little bit around here, did some weed whacking. So next trip, maybe we'll build a door. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you back at the cabin next time.